Hey guys, episode 29 of the crypto portfolio series. Down about 10,000 this week. The correction has turned into a 30%, just about on the nose. From the top, about 42,000 down to 29.5 in dollars. So just wanted to sort of point out that this is perfectly normal. If you go back to sort of 2013, so this shows pretty much all of the major corrections from sort of the 2012 and 2013 runs. They were a lot bigger, but it was still a younger asset back then. But if you look at the sort of bottom half here at 2017, you can see sort of March 2017, when it was just really starting, you had a 34% correction, or crash, as everyone called it back then. So $1,350 down to sort of just under $900. Obviously, at that time, everyone was saying, it was over again. It was going to zero or going to crash. And it risen up to 2,760 by May 2017. Is all in 2017, and then dropped down 33% again to 1,800. But obviously, as you can see, the previous high was 1,300. So even after the drop, it's at a new high. Then rose up to 2,980 and dropped back down to 1,800 again. But that was less than a month after the previous one from May. That was just in the middle of June. But then from 1,800 to September, rose to just under $5,000. So it was sort of seen as a milestone, and then you had another sell-off, 40% again, down to 3,000. Then November got to 7, so it got from just under 3,000 to 7,900 nearly, and then took another 30% down to 5,555, and then it was from there to the 20,000 top. Obviously, then you had your big crash, but so you can see 5 over 30% corrections in what is basically about 9 months. So it's perfectly healthy. If you go up a bit too fast, then you're going to have a bit of a correction. And basically, just to say 30% isn't anything really to worry about. So yeah, if we're bottoming out around the sort of low 200s in the portfolio, then perfectly happy, really. So Bitcoin for the week, down about 6%, not too bad. Obviously, you can see the drop there on the 21st. Went down to sort of 21,000, £20,500. Not too bad. Ethereum actually holding up pretty well, up 10%, as just started sort of running up in the last day. Most of the other coins are sort of either flat or slightly down. Litecoin almost completely flat. Obviously had its ups and downs during the week, but has ended up there. Cardano still sort of a little bit up and down, but basically flat, 1% down. Stellar, XLM, not doing too well, 8% down. But as I say, some of the smaller altcoins obviously are going to take a bit of a hit in a downturn because they're even more speculative than Bitcoin. OMG not actually done too bad, 8% up. Basic attention token has actually been doing pretty well, 28%. Does seem to sort of sometimes do the reverse of the major markets. I've noticed in the sort of big runs upwards, this will often sort of stay flat, sometimes even drop a little. So quite nice to have an uncorrelated token within the crypto space. EOS, basically flat, yeah, 0.17%. So that's fine. Tron, not doing too much, 1%. Dash, I think, has had another bad week. Yeah, 13%, 13.5% down. So still not sure on the future of Dash, but keep it for now. XRP or Ripple, basically flat, 1%. Still no news on the lawsuit that I've seen. Power Ledger, this is my sort of outside the top 100 coin. Basically flat for the week, not too much happening with them. And Dogecoin, 2%, it's not doing too much as this really sort of gets going in the crazy altcoin markets. And yes, BitTorrent, I've only got a couple of pound of this, it was free. Doesn't really do sort of too much, but it's not worth selling for £2. So there you go. Is this the end of the crash, or correction, as I call it? Been a fortnight now, might go on for another week or two, but yeah, longer term, should probably see new highs by maybe mid-February, end of February, and on from there. So leave your thoughts in comments below, drop a like, as always appreciated, and subscribe if you want to see more. I might do another live stream, maybe Tuesday night, or midweek sometime, maybe Thursday. We'll see how we go. But yeah, see you soon.